Okay, so it's 2nd of September. Uh, Today was should have been a no trading day, right? Because there was a news PMI news at uh, half an hour into the New York Open, right? So I was bullish today. This was the news scandal, and this was a New York Open, right? This was mm-mm, this was London Open, right? So let let me first explain why I was bullish. This was our London high. This was our London low, and when we look towards the left side, it swept this low. And this was the last low. If it would have swept this low, I would not have, you know, after, no, let me first start from the beginning. So, yeah, as I said, I was bullish for the day, right? So, yeah, this was our London low. And yeah, this candle, New York Open, swept London low, and this liquidity over here, right? So I was bullish for the day. It was like I was just expecting the price to pull back a little bit, cause from from London Open it just ripped to the downside, right? So I was just expecting it to mm, pull back a little. So yeah, I was looking for this inversion which it gave me over here. My entry should have been over here. My stops should have been over here, and yeah, let me first see where should my entry have been. Yeah, I could have entered over here at the 5 minute closure, or over here after the break of the structure, right? But I did not, because first of all there was news at half an hour into the New York Open, right? And the second of all, it if it would have just came down to my 1 minute PDRA, which it did not. It should have been. I would have taken this trade and you know hold it past and used to, but it did not. Just came to my 1 minute PDRA, right? So yeah, I after this news, I was looking for it to continue to the upside. I should not have been like, what was I expecting to the price literally, what was this? After 428 points, I was expecting it to just go up. I I was it was dumb of me to expect that. Yeah, I entered over here, like I marked this. It was more of a FOMO entry than than following my rules, right? So after it came to this 5 minute FVG, I entered at this candle. My stops were here, and my break even point was this. This was my break even point, and this was my full target. Like, I would not have taken any partials on the way. I would have just closed the position whole, right? So yeah, I pretty much stopped me out, and I did not risk like 0.5% or 0.25%. I risked a whole 1% of my account. So I did not follow any of my rules. I should have lowered my risk, but I did not. Yeah, it was pretty dumb of me. And on gold, I was, you know, expecting it to uh, be bullish. If I wanted to enter, this would have been my entry right after breaking this resistance and retesting it also, and this would have been my target. Would this have been my entry? Oh no, this would have been my entry, and this would have been my target. But yeah, after taking that hit, right, like it affected my mindset a lot. Like I decided to just step off the charts and save myself, you know, lift fight another day. So yeah, I just decided not to take any more trades. I'm unhappy for with myself today. Like I I don't know what I was expecting the price to do. Like, was I expecting it to just, push 400 points to the downside and then push 400 points to the upside? Like, I don't know. That was like, mm, that was not smart of me. Oh no, this was our London Eye. Yeah, this was my TP one. Yeah, I don't know what was I was expecting. I mm, Not a great day. Yesterday was a no trading day because of bank holiday. Not not a great start to the week, and like uh, this whole week is like a I knew what's this? Yeah, this is like a high impact news week. Like Wednesday, half an hour held to the open, red folder news. I might not, be too afraid of this, right? Thursday, two, three high impact news, NFP, unemployment claim, PMI. On Friday, like, yeah, I don't know if I would be trading this week. This might be the last trade of this week. Yeah, so that's it for today. Thanks for watching.